Dear friends, this is our another video from our playlist Frequently Asked Questions, which are related to Service Selection Board. In this video I will tell you top 10 reasons why candidates got rejected in SSB. If you are going to attend SSB, then this video is very important for you. So watch this video till the end. Let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, so that you will be notified when we post new video. In SSB, it's very difficult to find out the reason for candidates' failure. Only a deep introspection can give you a slight hint of the reason. There is always the dilemma among the aspirants as to why they get rejected in Service Selection Board. Candidates say that, "My GTO task was not good. My group discussion was not good. My lecturette was not good. My personal interview was not good." You will hear candidates saying this, but trust me, you do not know the true reason of your rejection. Before moving further, first you need to understand the purpose of Service Selection Board. The format of SSBs are made to evaluate each and every part of your personality. The officer-like qualities like leadership, self-confidence, physical fitness, out-of-box thinking are expected from a candidate. Let me tell you that assessors are well qualified to select candidates with officer-like qualities, and they would not mistake. Crying in front of the interviewer can reflect a negative aspect about your personality, and it can be the reason for not getting recommended, but it cannot be the sole reason. If you are rejected in SSB, the following can be one of the reasons. Don't miss even a single point. Watch it carefully. Poor communication skill. Communication skills is also a factor. Whatever you do in Service Selection Board, a good communication is required. In lecturette, group discussion, group tasks and personal interview. If can do any task better but can't express yourself, then there is no use of your knowledge. We have made a video on if is it necessary to speak English during SSB. If you haven't watched this video, go and watch it. The link is in description. Overreacting or unnecessary temperament. There are some situations while performing group tasks where you have to be a part of team and have to take some decisions collectively, but sometimes you analyze that you should do it other way and your mates not listening to you. In that situation, if you overreact or gets angry, that's where you get rejected. In this situation, you make your teammates realize that you can do this task in the way you think. This will help us for sure. Casual attitude during SSB. Since SSB is a test for defense services, it is highly recommended to be in discipline. Some candidates shows their irresponsible behavior and indiscipline during SSB. You will be noticed even when you are going to bathroom. So make it a habit to always be in discipline. Could not be able to reveal the required number of OLQs. If you have officer-like qualities in you, that's only way you are going to be selected. We cannot say how many officer-like qualities you should have. Those will appear to SSB officers. But it is sure that those qualities can be developed. You can make them a part of your personality in a period of time. Trying to show yourself better than other candidates. Many candidates think that SSB is about competition with other candidates. But my friends, it is not so. SSB is about your team spirit. Assessors judge you if you are a team player or not. So always help your teammates. Assessors will judge you automatically that you are best suitable to be a defense person. Always worrying about next test. What will happen next? What is next? How it will be done? Is it nicely done or not? These are few questions which all candidate faces, but some took it easy while rest took it as a stress, and that they start to fall down. They faces lack of confidence. feels incapable and fear of losing SSB. Candidates should take it easy and perform their best without hesitation. Taking too serious the 5 days SSB testing and not enjoying it. Some candidates are too serious about their studies and so to their tests. In Service Selection Board, your too much seriousness is not required. You need to be disciplined and focused. And also you have to be a happier person who took problems in a solving way. Demoralized. Candidates get demoralized after getting few screened or conference out in SSB or just because you didn't perform well in your group discussion or your GTO task or any individual test. You need to calm down and always be at your high spirits. Mismatch in GTO, psychology and interviewing officers' judgment. What you do, how you do, and what you have done till now, these are checked by all 3 officers. The assessors check that if you have done something useful in past, and what you are doing now, also what you would be in future. There could be a mismatch in your thinking and activities. This will be a reason of your rejection. Misinterpretation of personality. Everybody has their own personality, and you should have keep your own personality. But candidates while preparing for SSB, they try to copy others or copying from books. This is because of misguidance, so you need to choose right teacher for your coaching, so that the right personality of yours may have evolved. My friends, don't feel rejected and lose hope of leaving your dream unturned. Everything can be achieved in life and nothing is impossible in this world. Dedicated efforts in right direction will definitely lead you to success. Share with us what you feel. You can comment below. That's all for now. All the best. Thank you.